To troubleshoot the Uniswap token list, start by understanding what the list is and its purpose. The Uniswap token list is a curated list of tokens that are available for trading on the Uniswap platform, a popular decentralized exchange. Step 1 is to check if the token you are trying to find is listed on the Uniswap interface. If it is not, check the official Uniswap token list or other reputable sources to confirm if the token is supported. Step 2 is to verify the token's contract address. A token's contract address is a unique identifier that distinguishes it from other tokens. Ensure you are using the correct contract address to avoid confusion with similar tokens. Step 3 is to check the token's liquidity. Low liquidity can cause issues with trading, such as large price slippage or failed transactions. You can check liquidity on the Uniswap interface or through third-party tools. Step 4 is to check for any known issues or maintenance on the Uniswap platform. Sometimes, technical issues or maintenance can cause tokens to be temporarily unavailable. Step 5 is to clear your browser cache and cookies, and try again. This simple step can resolve many issues related to the Uniswap token list. Best practices include always verifying the token's contract address and checking liquidity before trading. It is also essential to stay up to date with the latest developments and announcements from Uniswap. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot issues with the Uniswap token list and ensure a smooth trading experience. Remember to always prioritize caution and do your own research before making any investment decisions.